Look how dirty that is though. Oh wow, look at that. Alright, so I'm just gonna put this out here. Look how dirty that water is. I'm not even done yet. I am gonna get new brakes. It has stock rims, of course. I'm gonna leave the stock rims on there. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. There we go. That was pretty easy. Alright, so unfortunately me and my dad can't take this off because it's really in there, so I messaged my brother to see if he could stop by the house to help me pull this off because he has way more strength than both of us, so. But in the meantime, I can show you what else I got for the car. Let me take this out. Alright, so good news. It does fit. So we're just gonna move on to the next project. I'll just paint these other two pieces because like I said, I was struggling with it. So my brother came by. Of course, there's his XT. Oh my god, he already took it off like in 2 seconds. That's crazy, bro. This piece that goes right in between here. Look how dirty that is though. So I'll be cleaning this off. Wiping this. I'm gonna spray paint this piece. Final results of how these carpets look. Definitely look a lot brighter. There is, I don't know if like the original style has like some gray and blue in there, or if that's just like from the years of how like dirty it is. But it looks like it's gray and blue. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray this just in case if there's still any like odors. I will say that I do recommend Meguiar's. This is my first time actually using this air freshener, but I would say that I would change the car scent. I don't think this actually smells like new car scent. It does work. We'll see how long it lasts, but I'd buy a different scent. I don't know. To me, it just doesn't smell like new car scent. So anyways, let's go ahead and apply that on. You can just spray it on. I think it's almost out actually. But yeah, you could just spray this like so. Alright, so I put everything back on. This is how it looks. I do think it looks better than the first gray of spray paint that I put on there. So again, it has like little black metallic specks in there, but it still looks like gray, but I think it's fine. I'll leave it on there like for now. All right, I bought some new headlights and I'm gonna go ahead and open the box. I am outside, it's a little bit windy, so if you guys hear some wind, apologize. But I want to do this outside because I just have more space out here and it's sunny out here, so. Look, I got a box within a box. Also got some R1 brakes, performance brakes from Rock Auto. I'm not sponsored, by the way, I'm just going to see if I have the right part before I hand them over to my brother, because he's going to install them for me. Try to see the lights are all faded. So there, I got the car cover for the BRZ. In the picture it looked like it was a tan color, but this is more of a silver. So, and then if you guys can hear talking, it's because my relatives are over the house. The only thing I don't like is, I don't know why this is sticking out like this. It just looks kind of weird. It's not a perfect fitment because on the top, there's no thing for the shark fin, and on the instructions and photo it does, so that's weird. But on the Forester, I have, let's go walk around this way, I have the new tires on this. Washed it, so it looks super nice, super clean. That looks so good. Right. These are the new headlights, and I did buy some LED bolts to replace. My brother still needs to put them on, but this car is coming along. And then I'll show you guys the inside. If you're still here, thank you for watching. I hope you guys were entertained a bit. I do plan on doing more things to the car, and probably do more hiking, going on roads in areas that I haven't explored in California, even though I've lived here my entire life. So I hope you guys go on this adventure with me. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.